Hello and welcome to Spacialista's Space Tourism Flight PLA 5374. Our pilot, Captain Lena, is delighted to welcome you on board our next-generation spacecraft. Our cabin crew are dedicated to your safety and comfort on board this flight to the Sagittarius A-star black hole.
FTL engines charged, all set for hyperspeed. Locking on.